Right, in this triangle we'll ask to work out the length of the side AC. Right, so we sketch is always good. This is a rough one here. That's corner A, that's corner C. We're asked to work out the length, and it's called Y there, Y meters in that diagram. And you see this angle here is 103 degrees. That side length there is 10 meters. And that there is a matching pair. Do you see that? The angle and the opposite side, we know them. So we're going to use a thing called the sine rule. And it's going to look like this. A over sine A equals B over sine big B. Right? The big letters are the angles. The small letters are the sides. So in our case, we know side A is 10 meters. And the opposite angle is 103, so that's sine 103 degrees there. And B, well, we're looking for, we're going to use Y instead of B, because it's labeled Y in our diagram here. So, and the opposite side, or the opposite angle then, the sine, what's the sine of the opposite angle? Oh, we don't know, do we? That's the angle here. Now that's 103 plus 30 is 133, so 180. Take away 133 because the three angles add up to 180, and it's going to be 47 degrees, I reckon. Is that right? 47 degrees. 47 and 3 is 50, and 130 yeah. So now we want Y on its own, so we're going to multiply both sides by what's under the line on the right, and that's sine 47. So we're multiplying both sides by sine 47, so that'll be in effect throwing it up there, and it'll get multiplied by the 10. So we've 10 times sine 47 degrees over sine 103 degrees equals the length of side Y. So get out the calculator, fraction key, 10 times sine 47, close your bracket, over sine 103, close the bracket, press equals, and I got Y equals 7.505, and I round that to 2 decimal places, so Y equals 7.51 meters. That's the answer I have there for side Y. That's about it. Job done.